Yeah, Bhaiya. So you talked about the idea of code as much as you can. So what are your general tips to a, let's say, a newbie to coding, and if he wants to start off with coding and wants to be at the same place as you are and get placed at any FANG companies? Yeah. So what should be the journey? Any tips for that?
Okay, like the first tip is don't follow anyone. Like create your own path and don't follow anyone's step because that thing might not work for you. It's a thing which is there for the which is followed by a person who was 3 years older than me, and that might not work for you right now. So always try to create your own path. There are just some general tips that are like really important for anyone interested in computer science. The first step that, as you have already mentioned, like code as much as you can. I can't emphasize the importance of this. If you like try to explore at many things as you can in your computer science degree and anything that is there related to computer science, you can do wonders in your like engineering career. And that's what I feel. The more that you explore in computer science, the more you know that how little that you know actually about the field. Like the field is really vast. You can't know anything at all in your lifetime. So like code as much as you can, know as much as you can, like try to make projects, any kind of projects you're interested in, try to make it related to any field. Try to build stuff, break stuff, just try to open your computer, like see what is RAM and what are different things, how does a computer work, understand what is the importance of computer architecture, how does these things work. uh, After this, I guess, yeah, try to hack things. Like if you're going for any, if you're using any particular service, if you're using any particular like software, try to see how is it working, try to find what are the breakpoints in it. Like there are some particular things that there so some of my friends are there. He actually find a bug in like the login system of Google, and he was actually awarded like 3,000 or $4,000 when he was not even in college, when he was in his school.
Oh,
So that's also really interesting that if you get to find some bugs in a particular like software, you get a lot of money for that. So try to hack things, and it's not really valid just for computers. Just try to like explore different things there around your that are there around your house. You can try to like explore your phone. How can you install different things on your phone? How does an application work? How does the permissions in your Android phone works? uh, One more important thing, like get to know a lot about the Linux, what do we call Linux philosophy that is there in the computer science. Like Linux was introduced to solve a lot of problems, and what are the problems that Linux solve, how Linux is built upon, why most of the web servers are based on Linux. All these things, try to explore all these things, and learn version control, like learn git svm, all these things. And yeah, like try to code everything that you are like dealing with. Other tips that I would have for like computer science students. Yeah, so apart from just the coding part, you can also try to work upon your communication. Have a really good network. Try to talk to as much professors as you can. Try to talk to the staff of your college. Try to have really good friends and like have a good social network, have a good social circle. Like I guess it's really common and it's there all over YouTube as well. You are the average of the 5 people you spend your most time with. So I really agree with that, and that's completely true. So if you are in a good circle, then you obviously will improve because the person that you are around with, those will also talk about those things and you get interested into those things. So if you're like spending your time with computer science people, you will get interested in computer science. If you're spending your time with finance people, you will get interested into finance. So that's how I guess this works. Apart from this, I've already mentioned like maintain a good CGPA. CGPA is really important. Like
yeah.
go ahead, try to have good CGPA. The learning from working in clubs departments do matter, but participate into those things only if you're really interested into to participate. Apart from this, yeah, so there is one more thing regarding how do you learn one particular thing. uh, this is also really important, and people don't know how to Google stuff. So I would really recommend you to do a course on how to Google stuff. How do you learn something? That's also really, there is a course on like Coursera as well. How do you learn something new? So how I learn something new is that so there is something called ELI 5 concept. So ELI 5 is basically explain like I am 5. So if you want to learn anything new in computer science, so any particular topic, such as you want to learn segment trees in DSA. So you can just search explain like I am 5 for segment trees, and you will find different posts on Code Forces or like dependent upon the term that you're searching for. and they will explain. People are spending a lot of time into writing those articles on Explain Like I Am 5. They will explain you the thing in really simple words, and that's when you get the what is this thing is going to be used for. So Explain Like I Am 5 really helps you understand what is this thing going to be used for and what basically this thing is. And then you like step up your game. If there is an article of Explain Like I Am 10, so go read that article, and then like do a crash course on that particular thing that you are studying, like a half-hour crash course, and then you actually dwell into that course or that book or any particular topic that you are studying. So
Exactly.
yeah, this is the advice that I have.